Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this time I got something that I don't know, this is actually an unexpected purchase. So I was at the store, I went to check the LV Match collection, and upon checking all the collection, the items that were on the Match collection, I saw this particular piece. I mean, the Match collection is actually very colorful. The color is like, it's vibrant and it's really captivating, I must say. But there is one item that actually caught my attention, and it's not part of the Match collection. This item, I have never seen this at the store, at the flagship store where I went to, that they put this on display. I have never seen this. So that day when I went, I saw it at the shelves in the glass, and I said, oh wow, this is pretty. And in my head, okay, I've never seen this. I don't know if I am allowed to purchase this item. That's because I have purchased one of these last year. I know there is a limit, obviously, for this particular pieces, the highly sought after pieces. And I think right now, I would still think, I should say that it is also, it's still another highly sought after pieces, even after the price increase. And I know that this piece is a little bit like controversial in such a way that a lot of people are questioning whether with the new price for this piece, if it's still worth it. But anyway, I purchased it because I know I have a lot of uses in it, and it is one of the most versatile, and also I find a lot of uses in it. So anyway, here's the box right here. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, like right now I have seen this so many times. I have this in my collection. I have a couple of these, in fact, but I still can't get over how beautiful it is. Okay, so here she is. Okay, let me just put this one away. The dust bag as usual, and it is no other than, oh my gosh, it is another Pochette accessoire. Oh, I saw this at the store. It's like, oh my gosh, she is so pretty. I think she's the prettiest and most useful purses that I have in my collection, even though a lot of people were saying that this is part of more likely a small leather goods, but regardless, I am using this like a purse. Like when I go to the store, grocery and stuff, this is like, it could fit all my essentials. So anyway, I got the Pochette accessoire in this classic monogram. Beautiful. We have the vachetta tab right here as usual. I got something that is made in France. Very happy with that. Beautiful. Right here on the side. Very lovely. I mean, look at the structure of it, guys. Look at that. I totally love the structure of this pochette. I totally love it. Right here, it has a gold hardware as usual. We have the zipper right here, the pull zip as usual. Let's take a look at inside. Okay, the inside is stuffed. Let me just remove. I've never seen them stuffed. So anyway, oh, okay. Oh, I think that the one that I think she gave me the one that is, this is not the floor model, I think, because the floor model, I remember the strap is already attached, but with this one, it was separate, and for some reason, the, hold on, yeah, this one is not stretched right here. Usually, like when you, yeah, usually you put this right here, this D-ring right here, and over on this part. But for some reason, she actually gave me the one that is not the floor model, because the floor model, they have already attached the strap. But this one, it's not attached right there. This one is still, wow, it's still like, yeah, looks like this one has never been used at all. Even though that the strap is actually bent because they put this one inside, curled like this. But yeah, that doesn't matter. Be honest with you guys, I have never used this strap. So yeah, it's a little bit like, it's a little bit too small for me. And yeah, the previous one that I've got, I have never used it. So anyway, right here, this is how it looks, and I totally love it. It is, I have mentioned earlier that it is one of my most versatile pochette in my collection. That's because you could use it as an evening bag, you can use it when you run errands, you can use this to put it on your Neverfull, a makeup bag, you could use it with anything. And on top of that, you can actually attach any straps, any crossbody, shoulder strap, a top handle, anything will work for this. That's what I love about this purse. So yeah, with the price right now, let me see. Right now, this is actually priced as $1,290 US. Wow. The price seems to be a little bit hefty for this pochette, you know? So when you come to think of it, that my very first pochette, a pochette accessoire, I think I paid around $500, including tax. And that's, and just before the price increase this year, this is $1,050. That's before tax. And now it's $1,290. Wow, that's before tax. So the question is it still worth it? So it is a matter of your preference, though. It is a matter of if you have a lot of uses on the purse. But for me, it is my all-time favorite. I actually use this. I reach out on this purse more than my Felicie pochette, more than my toiletry pouch, my Alma, my Speedy, and I use this quite a lot. So for the $1,290, would it justify the price? Well, I don't think so, because this is made up of canvas. It has a little bit of leather right here, the untreated leather, which is the vachetta, and I am so glad that this has very little vachetta. And I don't even remember the last time I purchased a purse that has a lot of vachetta in it, because I am very conscious when my purse has a lot of vachetta. That is my personal preference. And I've been wanting to get the Speedy 20, and I just really can't stand the vachetta. I just can't buy any purse that has a vachetta handle. So anyway, the $1,290, let's talk about, is it still worth it if you purchase right now? Like I mentioned, yes. For me personally, yes. That's because I use it a lot. If you find a lot of uses on the purse, regardless of what material it's been used, then I think that would justify the price. But if you purchase one of these, and it was just sitting at home, putting up on your shelves, looking at it, sitting pretty right there, collecting dust, then I don't think it would work for you. But I use this quite a lot though. When I traveled, like it's just like an easy. I find it so easy to wear this actually, and I don't need to baby it. You know, I don't need to baby it. And this is the the pouch that I have, I don't even remember. I got this one years ago. And look at that right there. I also got the one that's made in France. I just, this is my most used one. I also got the one that's made in Spain as well. And right here, this is the difference. Look at the vachetta right there. It's like the difference of the brand new one and the one that's already that's the one that's oxidized right there. So beautiful. And I love that I love the fact that I got this brand new. So this is what I would do. It has a pull tab right here, which is from Louis Vuitton. I use it. It's because, I don't know. I just find it too small for this, but with this one, it's just so easy to grab the pull tab. And this is how it looks inside. This is what I'm currently using. It has an organizer inside. Right there. The organizer actually helps the structure of the bag right there. And I have stuff inside right here. So if I wanted to use the other one to rotate, what I would do is just take this one out and then transfer it on the other purse right here. Transfer it like that with no problems at all, just like that. The organizer actually fits like a glove. Very nice, very lovely. It actually helps the structure of the purse itself. Look at that. It is just the same. It's pretty amazing right there. And also, yeah, there is a pocket right here on the corner, and I've never used it. Oh, this is the product. Okay, so this is the product code. It is M40712, and it's currently priced as $1,290 US. And I am not sure, maybe we'll check the website from time to time. Maybe this became available because right now I am filming and I checked the website and they have in the damier azure print. And yes, it is so hard to maintain the azure. I don't want to baby my purse. Take time babying and clean it and worry about the wear and tear. So it is like that. And it is actually looks like I've used this quite a lot, talking about the wear and tear. This one actually, I have not seen any scratches at all. I've never seen any scratches at all. The side corners where most of the time there is a little bit of scuff or marks. So far, I have never seen any issues with it. And also, this one, I don't think this would, maybe some scratches, hairline scratches for this right here in the tab, but I never touch it. I use this one right here. And the tab right here, though it is turning out into a beautiful honey patina, there is no stain whatsoever at the back as well. The back looks a little bit messy, but that's just a part of it. But there is no rips right there. Beautifully done. Also, because there is going to be pressure right here when you use the purse because of the weight. But so far, I have not seen any sort of like, it's not losing its shape or whatsoever. It's still stiff though. So yeah, right now I know that I paid less than it's around $500 for this piece, and I also paid $1,000.50 for the other one that I've got, and then this one I have paid $1,290. So right now I have 3 pochettes in my collection. And it's worth it. Personally, it is worth it because I use it a lot. It is so versatile. It is carefree. Though it is made up of canvas. And I love the monogram canvas. It is so classic, and it has a very minimal vachette in it, which I love right here. So yeah, I would still recommend it. Like I mentioned, if you find a lot of uses in it, I would still recommend this for $12.90. And you may want to reach out with your essay or call the 1-800 number if you want to get this beautiful pochette. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.